When I made the decision to stop being a broke bitch, I had to start to focus on the many ways that money could come to me versus the many ways it would leave. This was a key factor in healing my financial trauma because financial trauma skews your view of the world and what you believe is possible. It makes you believe that you have less control over money than you actually do. Money becomes this big boogeyman that creates this looming shadow over your entire life, when money is simply a tool, just like this pen. The first reason why the infinite money manifestation method works is because it forces you to focus on the 88 ways that money would come to you versus the money not being there or how it will leave. The second reason is attributed to neuroscience. This exercise forces you to create new neural pathways in your brain. I did this and I tell my clients to do this. I share what works only on here, not just what I read or even what I learned in grad school. You guys always talk about people gatekeeping. Well, I'm sharing this powerful method with you on here for free. If you want the life of your ideal future self, you're going to have their brain. Train your brain so that you can think like them and then act like them. Make the decision to do this exercise and commit to it for the next 30 days, and you'll have a different brain, therefore a different reality.